And here's a big decision that was taken by the markets regulator SEBI today. They have decided to bar Future Group CEO Kishore Biyani from accessing securities market for a period of 1 year. Biyani has also been barred from buying, selling or dealing in securities of Future Retail for 2 years. So he cannot trade in stocks of Future Retail for 2 years. He's been barred from the markets for a year. SEBI said it has reached this decision on Biyani after an investigation into a 2017 case in the use of unpublished price-sensitive information to trade. Effectively, what is called the insider trading, when you have information that can impact the stock price and before that information becomes public, you use that information then to trade in that stock and make money because of the movement in that stock. Effectively, that is what is insider trading. And if you don't know, viewers, Kishore Biyani is one of the biggest names, considered to be one of the pioneers of the modern retail in our country. The man who actually started Future Group, Big Bazaar, Pantaloon, all of these big brand names, most of it now has been sold off to several other big brands and companies, with Kishore Biyani having exited it. But this is a case and an investigation from 2017, an insider trading case where the markets regulator has not only put a amount penalty of 1 crore rupees, but they have also said that he's violated these, in this case, he's been barred from trading in the markets. Kishore Biyani once had a large empire of Future Retail. A large part of that has already been sold off, but this is a very significant step taken by the market regulator. Utkarsh has the details.
Happened is that a SEBI order, Kishore Biyani has been restrained from accessing the securities market for a period of 1 year. That's one. Now, the other part here is that there has been additional penalty on him, which is for a amount of 1 crore rupees. Apart from that, Future Corporate Resources Limited, Kishore Biyani and Anil Biyani directed to jointly pay 17 crore 78 lakh 25,000 to SEBI as well. Now, let me run you through the case. As you said, this case is about insider trading of price-sensitive information. So SEBI said that SEBI had conducted an investigation in a scrip of Future Retail Limited to ascertain whether a certain person had traded in the aforesaid scrip during the period of March 10, 2017 to April 20, 2017. That means trades held in that period on the basis of unpublished price-sensitive information. Now, what happened is that, once the investigation got over, the trading was done not by Kishore Biyani or Anil Biyani. The trading was done by the first name, which is Future Corporate Resources. But given the fact that the shareholders there are Kishore Biyani and the brother Anil Biyani, and that's precisely the reason why they have also been barred. And the undue gains, which according to the SEBI order is around 17 crore 78 lakh 25,000, all three of them jointly have been asked to submit the same as well. Now, obviously, more or less the way it looks that Kishore Biyani will be hitting, SAT against that order, but at least till this point of time, that does not happen, whether a stay or an order in that case, Kishore Biyani cannot access the security market for a period of 1 year.